Hello, Antonis here. So I've done quite a few videos talking about my approach to design in 3D code and how I cut, smooth, subdivide, all that. And I had a question about, had a particular question how I did these rims around the wheels, right? So the technique is simple, but it was tricky to figure it out. That stuff, and it gives so much to the car that really propels the design. Let's take a look closer at here and here. Alright, so I moved back quite a few saves with that retro futuristic car I made. So this was the original body for that. And you want to add those rims really more at the end when you're pretty much happy with your design. So I usually design with some kind of wheels here, just so I have a point of reference. And then when it's time to add those elements, I go duplicate those guys, just as a backup. Then I'll do a backup of this as well. So shift drag that together, and I get this guys, right? So it's all combined, and the next step is really easy. You want to do a field operation, and you want to pick a curve and just go around this rim. So it remembers the position of it. The 3D code is really cool about remembering the curve. It remembers it for field, it remembers it for other tools as well. So right now I just made this whole thing and pressed enter. So if I want to go and smooth it, it will still remember this curve, and I can press enter again, it will smooth it. But smoothing is a bit too much here, so what I actually do, I'd rather cut it out. I'd rather do a cut-off operation. Yeah, you see, this is like a really cool surface right here. It's so fast, really. It's amazing, to be honest. So what I want to do, I'll just cut out the rim, the necessary parts. And I need to make this guy smaller. I'm just doing one pair of the wheels, but you just want to repeat that operation on both of them, or like not really repeat, but you will cut it up and then just move it in place, all that. Right, I think we needed it a bit smaller as well. It's actually quite an important point to remember that when you start to make a wheel smaller and smaller and smaller, then it can become way too small, and you'll have to redo the whole thing again if you think that's getting too small. There's not much of flexibility in 3D code. Once the stuff is done, you have to have backup bodies to deal with. Like you can see all the hidden layers on my right. Those actually are car bodies I had just in case if I need to redo an operation a few more times. This one is like yeah, that's actually the side step. This one was pretty cool body from front and back, but from the side it didn't really look like anything, so I had to abandon it. Well, let's see, let's find our guy right here. Right, going back to that. And I just want to I'm picking the wheels and I'm doing control drag there, and I'm subdividing, doing a Boolean operation. Right, so I'll press 12 to smooth it out a little bit, and I think I actually need to subdivide it more, like 2 mil. And that subdivision will actually provide some smoothing. Yeah. What I find that what I've found actually that you sometimes need to go pretty high, like 5 mil, maybe even 8 million polygons when you deal with certain parts. But 2 mil is alright here. I'm just a little clean up on top. And then if you want, you just looking how to improve this particular shape if I need to. And I think I don't need to. Okay, those are my original wheels, and I've forgotten to save a copy of smaller wheels. So we'll just feed it in. And this is it. This is the whole my approach to making the, I don't know how it's called, the rim of the wheel, or like side rim, whatever you name it. Hopefully in future I'll have some time to do a full-scale tutorial on combining all my tips, producing a car exterior and interior, but I really don't think it's coming that soon. But I mean, guys, if you really want to see some tutorial like that, leave your comments so I can, see that there is a demand. And thank you for coming, and see you next time.